Tonight, I get to share with you what I consider to be one of our greatest successes to date. As many of you have heard, we're in the midst of developing a new MMO, right? The best and brightest minds at our company have been working on this for ages, and I'm pleased to give you a sneak peek. I give you World of Jersey Shark Craft. Can I get a fist pump out there? Yeah. I think it's pretty obvious this idea was the cream of the crop for us. And I can't wait to see how our players stack up against the situations Abs of Steel, Snooki's Jaeger bombs, and the endless maze of grenades that all you players out there are going to avoid. So unfortunately, not all of our ideas are as solid as this one. Yeah.
I hate you!
There are a few that we had to scrap, and among the epic fails we weren't able to release, I want to share another one with you. Diablo. Yeah. Set in the halls of Calif, this attempt at an interactive musical game failed when the teenage wizards blew up our servers with a rendition of Grease Lightning. Another title that didn't quite make the cut, but was inspired by one of the most popular shows ever on television. Man, any ideas? Unfortunately, it didn't quite translate the way we had hoped. I give you Booty Baywatch. I admit, though, this was a bomb of Hasselhoff-sized proportions. It's my first day of comedy now. Come on now. Switching gears for a moment, there are a lot of rumors that have been bouncing around lately about the World of Warcraft movie, and I'd like to take a moment to clear a few of those up. First of all, despite the Hollywood buzz, Ozzy Osbourne will not be playing the Prince of Darkness. It was nothing personal. We love Ozzy, as you guys know. He was here last year. Can I hear it for Ozzy? Yeah. Unfortunately, it came down to a budget issue. We couldn't afford the subtitles. However, I am pleased to announce that the role of Arthas's sarcastic Aunt Gladys will be played by Betty White. We're pretty pumped about that one. On a serious note, though, we're really pumped to have Sam Raimi signed as our director for the movie. How about you guys? You guys stoked about that? Us too. We've been big fans of his for a long, long time, and we'll do whatever it takes to work with him, even if we have to cast Bruce Campbell as Illidan. Yeah. So anyway, how many of you guys played Diablo 3 this weekend? I must say you guys racked up some pretty amazing statistics on D3 machines. Did you know that more than 1,400 PvP games have been played in the last 2 days? 1,400. More than 75,000 players have been killed in PvP. 75,000. Additionally, there were more than 3,200 PvE games, and nearly 3 million monsters were killed. During these matches, more than 930,000 items were dropped. Surprisingly, for a game as dark and gothic as Diablo, the most frequently dropped item was the double rainbow of unicorn happiness. Woo! That's awesome. So anyway, I have another thing I need to share with you. I've been waiting to say it for a really long time, and to be honest, I can barely contain my nerves. Every now and then, a person has 3 words they really need to share with those they care about. For the Horde, that's right. For the Horde!